It's confirmed that rapper Takeoff has died in a shooting outside of a Houston bowling alley. Takeoff, who is part of Migos along with Quavo and Offset, was 28 years old. Houston police say officers responded shortly after 2:30 a.m. local time to reports of a shooting at 810 Billiards and Bowling. We're told that dozens of people had gathered on a balcony outside the bowling alley at the time, which was on the third floor of that building.
Who was deceased. That male has been identified as Kersnick Ball, better known as Takeoff. He's a member of the Migos rap group out of Atlanta. There were 40 people at least at this event. People left possibly out of fear. I ask you one thing, and I want this to resonate with everybody. What if it was your brother? What if it was your son? You would want somebody to step up. So please step up, get the information to us so we can bring some closure to this family who's hurting right now.
Shaking my head, man. Humble nigga. Badass music syndicate won't show QC, all the family. You sending some prayers and love for y'all niggas. All Takeoff family, Quavo, Offset, all y'all. Badass music syndicate won't, send their prayers out. This rap shit whack, bro. I ain't lying. We targets now, bro. We used to be heroes, This rap shit whack as fuck. This rap shit whack, bro. Everybody want us out of here, bro. R.I.P Takeoff. R.I.P Takeoff, bro.
I can't hold the thing. I can't go quiet. I can't go closer. I can't call none of these niggas.
Happen to a rapper or an athlete or an entertainer or anybody of color, the first thing you niggas do is pull your fucking phones out and start recording and post that shit on the internet, man. You niggas is clowns for that shit, man. Y'all niggas is clowns for that shit, man. The last image a motherfucker wanna see is they peoples laying on the ground bleeding the fuck out, man. Niggas be having mamas, kids, grandmamas, uncles, aunties. That's some dumb shit, man. But the first thing y'all niggas do is pull your phone out. Ooh, look at such and such. Man, that shit ain't cool, man. For real, man. You niggas, that nigga just lost his life, and you niggas is trying to get likes. Tell me how that shit add up, man. You niggas, all you blog sites, y'all niggas is out of pocket, man. Y'all niggas be trying to get clickbait. You niggas is suckers, man. That man laying on the ground, he bleeding out, and niggas recording it and posting that shit on the internet, man. Y'all niggas is cut.
I am too young. Rest in peace to Takeoff. My condolences goes out to Takeoff family, Quavo, man, all my soldiers and soldier rest. Hip hop has turned to the new streets. We used to be in the streets trying to get in the hip hop game, which is crazy. The most important thing people always ask me and Snoop, like, that love overpower hate. And to this generation, I want to tell y'all one thing. You gotta move different. Don't be afraid to hire the police for details to get you home.